सबैजना स्वागत छ all the media person. We have with us Umesh Potwal, head coach of Nepal, and likewise Paras Karka. We have started our camp from June 20 to 29, first phase of camp, and from that camp, today we are going to announce the final 14+4 for this upcoming Asia Cup qualifier, ICC World T20 qualifier Asia Finals to be held in Singapore from July 20 to 29. Selection committee was headed by Aminul Islam, ICC representative, and Umesh Potwal, similarly Paras Karka. Following is the 14+4 squad. Team is Paras Karka leading the team, likewise Gyanendra Malla, Sarath Besawakar, Vasant Regmi, Vinod Bhandari, Sompal Kami, Karan Kesi, Pradeep Oiri, Sandeep Lamichhane, Dipendra Singh Oiri, Rohit Kumar Paudel, Lalit Narayan Rajvangshi, Pawan Sarra, Avinash Bohra. फेरि म रिपिट गर्न गइरहेको छु. क्याप्टेन पारस खड्का, भाइस क्याप्टेन ज्ञानेन्द्र मल्ल, शरद बेसावकर, वसन्त रेग्मी, विनोद भण्डारी, सोमपाल कामी, करण केसी, प्रदीप ऐली, सन्दीप लामिछाने, दिपेन्द्र सिंह ऐली, रोहित कुमार पौडेल, ललित नारायण राजवंशी, पवन सर्मा, अविनाश बोहरा. त्यसैगरी वैकल्पिक प्लेयरहरुमा कुशल भुर्तेल, जितेन्द्र कुमार मुखिया, सुशान्त भारी र मोहम्मद आरिफ शेख. यसै यही T20 क्वालिफायरको सिलसिलामा हामी नेपाल राष्ट्रिय टिम मलेसिया पनि ट्राभल गर्दैछ. जुलाई 9 तारिखमा नेपालबाट प्रस्थान गर्नेछ र त्यहाँ 10 दिनको क्याम्प हुनेछ. त्यसै अन्तर्गत मलेसियाको राष्ट्रिय टिमसँग पनि जुलाई 13 र 14 मा दुईटा T20 इन्टरनेसनल गेम पनि खेल्दैछौँ र त्यहाँबाट हामी जुलाई 20 मा हामी सिङ्गापुर प्रस्थान गर्नेछौँ र यो आईसीसी क्वालिफायरबाट एउटा विनर टिम चाहिँ ग्लोबल क्वालिफायरमा सेलेक्सन हुनेछ र तपाईलाई केही जिज्ञासा क्वेशनहरु छ भने प्लिज ओपन. थ्यांक यू.
क्याप्टेन ओभरअल प्रिपरेसन चाहिँ कस्तो भइरहेछ र टिमलाई लिएर चाहिँ कस्तो आफ्नो धारणा के छ त्यो बताइदिनु.
Preparation has been good. Regularly cricket खेलिरहेको छौँ सबैजना. although प्रधानमन्त्री कप एउटा 50 ओभर फर्मेट थियो, त्योभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ T20 क्रिकेट चाहिँ रेगुलरली खेल्ने रहेको थियो. प्लस अब अहिले भनौँ न यो क्याम्प हेर्ने हो भने अब बेसिकली अब फर द न्यू कोच हैन, अब उहाँको लागि पनि भनौँ न नयाँ चुनौती थियो सबै प्लेयर्सहरूलाई. बट ही वाज बेसिकली अवेयर अफ मोस्ट अफ द प्लेयर्स को कस्तो छ भनेर. सो on the basis of whatever has happened in the last 6-7 months or even last 1 year now, we've tried to get the best 14. Unfortunately, जहिले पनि टिम सेलेक्सन हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ कुनै प्लेयर ठीक होला नहोला whatever त्यो जहिले पनि भइराख्ने कुरा हो. बट आई थिंक as a team, as a whole squad, we are very determined. Preparation wise, I think everybody is very, very hungry. There's a lot more for Nepal cricket next team versus summer. So अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ we are slowly building up. There are certain players हामीले भनौँ न 50 ओभरको लागि भनेर स्पेसिफिकली टार्गेट गरिरहेको छ भने स्पेसिफिकली कोही 2020 को लागि भनेर भन्न छानिएको छ. त्यही कारणले गर्दाखेरि अब we have selected 14+4. I think according to the coach, I think it gives us more time कि स्क्वाड पहिलेदेखि अनाउन्स भइसकेपछि it will give us a proper training गर्नको लागि schedule with the 14+ जुन 14+4 को स्क्वाड छ. I think त्यो रिजर्भ प्लेयर्सहरु पनि will be with us training मा र maybe couple of added players पनि हामीले still क्याम्पमै राख्ने छौँ. So overall looking forward to this tournament. यो प्रतियोगिता एकदमै महत्त्वपूर्ण छ. मैले भनिराख्नु पनि जरुरी छैन. यस प्रतियोगिताबाट जो विनर छ और भनौँ न that team is going to qualify for the main World Cup qualifiers. So pressure is on us किन भन्दाखेरि compared to other teams, obviously Nepal higher rank पनि छ, but we won't be taking anything easy किन भन्दाखेरि we have to go out there and play well. Expectations जहिले पनि high छ नेपाल क्रिकेटसँग. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि as a captain भनौँ न एउटा responsibility छ ममा पनि to help the team भनौँ न to get past this hurdle. त्यसपछि मात्र हामी भनौँ न जुन वर्ल्ड कपको सपना छ त्यो देख्न सक्छौँ. अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ instead of looking too far ahead, I think for us it's very important we concentrate यो टुर्नामेन्टमा. Preparation wise, we're happy. Let's hope we can deliver when the right moment comes.
टिममा चाहिँ शरद भसाकर भन्दा एक्सपिरियन्स प्लेयर एकजना रिटर्न हुनु भएको छ आफ्टर लङ टाइम. अनि अब मिडल अर्डरमा जुन किसिमको कम्पिटिसन छ उहाँको रोल चेन्ज हुन्छ कि अब के कसरी गर्नु भएको छ?
We're looking into different options. Hello. we're looking into different options, obviously. Sharat inclusion, I think last couple of years, which are a major tournament, because of injury, he wasn't able to become a part of the team. But having said that, I think his experience is something that we always look forward to. Our role, but I think with a new setup, the thing is that with backers, I think whatever position that you're given, you should be able to fulfill that responsibility. More than an individual, I think we're looking more as a team. Let's hope as a team we are able to perform. As a team, we win as a team, we take responsibility as a team. So more than any individual, I think we have a very good environment around the team. Last tournament, I think last international series, we managed to perform well, but that was 5 months ago. We have to start all over again, and I hope we can come up with a better performance this time as well.
लास्ट टुर्नामेन्ट्स भनौँ न T20मा चाहिँ अब वान डेमा चाहिँ हाम्रो ओपनिङ एक किसिमले सल्भ भएको जस्तो देखिएको थिएन, तर T20मा चाहिँ अझै पनि हाम्रो ओपनिङ पेयर चाहिँ स्ट्रगलिङ थियो। यसपालि नयाँ केही एक्सपेरिमेन्ट गर्छौँ कि पुरानैलाई निरन्तरता दिन्छौँ?
We have a lot of good options moving forward. The options को लागि चाहिँ भनौँ न, it all depends. अब 4वटा म्याच हो, we'll take it one game at a time. In the end, I think end result is what we're looking into. Obviously, अब opening को बारेमा जहिले पनि कुरा भइरहेको छ, whether it's 50 over 2020, but most importantly, I think as a team, कसरी perform गर्छ, that is more important. म पहिल्यै भन्दै आएको छु, opening itself is not that easy, but T20 formatमा actually भनौँ न, it's an opportunity for जहिले पनि त्यो position लिन्छ to go out there and perform and prove themselves. But having said that, I think we have a balanced team. There are a lot of options. I think Nepal cricket, विगतको 2 वर्षमा, if you really look into it, पहिला भनौँ न, we have very limited options. There are a lot of good players, a lot of youngsters pushing each other. So, we have at least another 20 days before the tournament. Malaysia ma pani हामी गइरहेका छौं T20 दुईटा T20 आई खेल्नको लागि र त्यो कन्डिसन्स वाइज पनि सिंगापुर मलेसिया एउटै भएको भएर चाहिँ that is going to help us acclimatize. र most important कुरा भनेको त्यही हो कि in the end result is what matters. As a team, we are excited with what lies ahead. एउटा वर्ल्ड कप खेल्ने अपर्च्युनिटी छ हामीसँग र त्यसको सुरुवात मलाई लाग्छ यो प्रतियोगिताबाट नै हुनेछ र स्पेशली निरन्तर रूपमा we will regularly play cricket, so looking forward to it.
कोच पटवाल
Training methods are obviously changed by second. The way we train, I think he is used to us. He's been part of the team where we have done very well as a batting consultant. Our head coach role is obviously had more responsibility and he's had full control over the team. I think all of us are very, very eager. I think jati kura share the players build up by we made it very, very open. Players who deserve, players who work hard, and whom we believe can make an impact. Those are the players that we're looking into. Obviously, outside fans are media layer. Sometimes you may not disagree with certain players that we choose, but within the team, every player we are given certain responsibilities to certain players, and we back them. So backing match, and I think we have to give them a certain amount of time. But let's hope. I think as a unit, the kind of cricket that we have played, last international series, there's a lot of buzz create the world cricket Nepal so with that in mind, I think for us with new coach and new environment around, I think the team is very, very happy and khushi. But like I said, coach it's up to us. The players have to go out there and perform, and we are happy with the environment, but we want to, preparations is result, we want to show it when the right time comes.
Coach, what's your opinion about having Sarat back in the team?
Why do you want an opinion on that? I mean, he's one of the best players Nepal have had, so I don't think we need to have an opinion on that. He was not well last time when we played, and whenever he was available, I think he's the first choice, so I don't think it was an option. He was more obvious to play in the team.
You didn't consider Arif and Rohit for the 2020 internationals against UAE. Now Rohit is back in the team and Arif is still kept out. So can you explain us something about this?
Yes, the captain just explained it to you. We are only looking at the people right now, which like we don't say we drop people. We are looking at the right time. Like in these situations, these conditions, what are the best options we have for the team? And we always choose players who are right now at the best form. The way not about performance only. We look at the characters basically. We look at how they get the team. You know how they work within the team. We call it a family now. So we want the best family member in the team. And I think Sharad is one of them. So, I mean, Rohit, obviously, he's the captain of under 19, and we made sure that he's got a record, which is like big for Nepal. First time somebody went Nepal, which is 35 years old. So, we want to boost that as well, and he has a lot of capabilities. So, we just want to keep inspiring him and make sure that, you know, you keep give him that choice to be with the team more of the times. If the time he spends with the team, with the senior team, it will definitely help the Nepal team in future, whether it's under 19 or the national team.
You worked a lot of players in the first phase of the training camp. What did you find about the overall pool of Nepali cricket, the pool that is currently available for you?
I think Nepal is a very small pool, so we, for last 1 year, if you go around, we have the same number of players. So I don't know, I mean, we have to go around the same players. What we can look at, who is at the best peak fitness, attitude-wise, and this, like I said, the team, how he fits in, that's the most important thing for us. So we are not looking at too many people because we don't have too many people. But that's the next plan. Maybe once we come back, we can go out and have a look at if we can find some new players. We just spoke to Paras, need to get out of Kathmandu, arrange some camps where we can look at guys who have not been around. So right now we have very limited players around us.
We in the team currently we have 2 left-arm spinners, but we don't see any left-handed batsmen. Is that a area of concern for you?
Sorry?
We don't have any left-handed batsmen. Is that an area of concern for you?
I think we need just look at good batsmen and bad batsmen. I mean, there is no right batsman and left batsman. We need a match winner. It doesn't matter whether it's a right hand or left hander. So I'm not concerned about having a right hand, left hand batsman. It's about a match winner batsman. I mean, if you look at other batsmen, it's Virat and Sachin. These guys are all right handers. We never looking for left handers, right? So for me, it's only batsmen. There is no right hander and left hander batsman.
Can you see any sort of change in our batting approach?
What do you mean by batting approach? I mean, you got to win the match, right? I don't think there's any other approach. What approach are we looking at? What's his name?
My name?
Others. What approach are we looking at? Can you be more specific?
I mean, do we have the intensity to play for the 2020 internationals or not?
I'm looking at only winners, so we don't have any other approach. So when we train also, we have only one. We have batters who don't score runs. We are looking for match winners and guys who wants to win matches for Nepal. That's the whole approach we are looking at.
Thank you.
सबैजनाको सकिएको
पार्सलाई क्वेसन एउटा 2020 इन्टरनेसनल खेल्दैछौँ मलेसियासँग अलिकति टिम हामी चाहिँ अलिकति माथि छौँ मलेसियाभन्दा कस्तो हुन्छ यो इज इट दि राइट थिङ फर अस के छ प्लान चाहिँ के छ 2020?
We had no other option. If you look into our last 4-5 months, we actually tried a lot to play matches against ODI teams, against teams around us with T20 international status. But unfortunately, availability कसैले पनि नभएको भएर Malaysia was our one and only last option. So त्यसले गर्दा right now, more than looking at the opponents, I think we look at what we want to build up to the tournament. So Malaysia, although I mean they are ranked below us, but I don't think that's gonna determine who's gonna be the winner. Kinaki, you have to start over again, and especially the format T20 is like anybody can beat anybody on that particular day. We're playing 2 matches against them. It'll help us. Why? Because Singapore, Malaysia conditions are almost similar. We'll be in Malaysia for almost 7-8 दिन. त्यो भनौँ न 10 दिनको प्रिपरेसन पनि हामीलाई एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ. त्यो प्रिपरेसनमा दुईटा इन्टरनेसनल म्याच पाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ I'm sure it's going to help us. So we're looking to our positives more than the opponents. What are the things that we want to focus on? त्यसले नै भनौँ न प्रायोरिटीमा राखेर हामी अगाडि बढिरहेका छौँ.
सक्यो.
सके. Thank you everyone for